So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to install a website as an app in your Windows 10 or 11. I'm going to show it in both Microsoft Edge and Chrome. Okay, first open Microsoft Edge, then select the website you want to choose. Okay, I'm going to select Google search. Okay, then click on more or also known as three dots and select apps, then click on install this site as an app. Then click on install. You can also change the name of the app or the logo. You can mess it around. Okay. Then click on install. Now this will be installed as an app. See, as you can see here, you can see it as a window. Okay. You should, if you want, you can pin it to the taskbar, pin it to start, and create desktop start shortcut. Okay. Let's click on allow. Okay, now this works as an app. See, so you don't have to go to the browser anymore to just open it up. Now I'm gonna show it in Chrome. Firstly, open up Chrome. Then open the website you want to install as an app. And I'm gonna select like Google News. Okay, it's there. I don't have to type another website's link so that I selected what is here. Okay, again, as like the Microsoft Edge, click on three dots are also called as more. Okay, then click on save and save, and then click on install Google News. Then click on install. Okay, now Google News is installed.